Yellow!
Hi, my name is Sarah.
And I'm Shayla.
And we like to call ourselves the Tasteful Amateurs.
Tasteful Amateurs.
Yes, so basically we're here to do a lot of things we're not good at.
We want to just like share our journey of doing silly, stupid shit with you guys. We decided to start our very first video with one of our cooking tutorials that we're going to do.
Super simple, keeping it basic, nothing crazy. First, we're going to get a little tipsy.
Tipsy.
We're going to make a sangria, and then we're going to make a yummy little queso.
Yeah, salsa con queso with chorizo.
Wow. See, we sound fancy already.
So let's get started on these drinks. Okay, hey guys, we're back. So we have everything that we need for our sangria. We are doing a strawberry peach. Oh shit, these are mangoes.
That's how amateur we are. I don't even know what fruit it is.
It's mangoes. We have mangoes and strawberries and mint.
Yes.
And what wine do we have here, Sarah?
We have some Riesling. So I have some nicely cut up mango here that I put my heart and soul into.
Wow, bitch.
Next, we're gonna pour some soda.
Oh, I forgot the vodka. You pour the soda, I grab the vodka.
Wine. My favorite. If anyone wants to buy me some wine and send it, Riesling. Is that good? Tell me when.
Alright, okay. I think that's good. Then let's add some vodka.
Just to add a little
extra kick in that shit, you know?
Alright, now some yummy, I hope this is the mint and not the cilantro.
It's the mint. We good, guys. Okay, let's try it.
That was planned.
Tasteful. Got it, I got it. Because you don't know what the hell you're doing.
Fucking amateurs.
So, Sarah, tell the people a little bit about yourself.
Alright, never thought you'd ask. My name is Sarah. I am 24. I like long walks on the beach, pina coladas.
Can you be serious? Okay, let's skip her. First, let's go to me then. Because this bitch,
While she talks,
I can't deal with her. It's actually pretty good.
You drank already?
Yeah, take a sip. Sorry.
Alright.
Okay, guys, so about myself, I'm 23. I have a kid. I have a boy. He's 2, and I have a boyfriend. We've been together for like 5 years. I'm pursuing my nursing degree. Yeah. What about you, Sarah?
Yeah, I don't have all that. I don't have a kid. I don't have a boyfriend.
She has a me.
That's literally just like having a relationship.
That's all she needs is me.
Help me! Help me!
So needy, but in the best way.
Cheers!
Cheers! It is good though. Don't take our word for it. Actually make this.
So I'm gonna say I would give this drink probably like a 7 out of 10.
I give it a good 7.5, just to be cool.
So next we're going to make the salsa con queso, but we also added the chorizo like we said earlier. So let's get started on that and we'll show you how we are going to do that. Hey guys, we're back. So now we're going to start our salsa con queso. We already started the roux, which is 3 tablespoons of salted butter with 3 tablespoons of flour. So if you're making this for like a big party or anything like that, obviously add more, equal parts of flour and equal parts of butter. I did not know that for a roux, but she just told me that, so thanks, Sarah. Right here.
Little fun fact about me, I'm kind of a liar. I'm not really a huge amateur at cooking because I kind of went to culinary school.
Oh, I thought you were about to say you're a liar about the equal 3 parts. I was
no.
gonna be like,
no, that is not a lie. That is true.
Okay, so
we just added, how much was this? 1.5 cups of
milk.
It's like, can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Still liquidy, but thick enough so it's not going to be like soupy when you put the chip in it, you know? Okay, so now we probably should have cooked these.
YOLO.
But I'm going to toss them in anyway.
Cook them or roast them. What I like to do before I had my electric stove is I would like...
Them is onions and green peppers.
Yes, sorry. So what I would like to do, especially with my green peppers, when I had like a, what is it called, a conventional stove? What I would do is I would literally, this is so fucking ghetto, but I would literally just take the pepper and toss it on the eye. And
that's like an actual technical technique.
It is?
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm chefing this bitch.
Alright, so it's actually looking real nice. Wish you could see it. Look, here she is.
Wow!
All her glory.
This is before the cheese. This is just how creamy it is beforehand.
Yeah, this is the roux doing all the heavy lifting.
Mm-hmm.
She's really working overtime.
Now we're going to add the fire roasted salsa style potatoes.
Same thing. It's not looking great now, so kind of glad you can't see it because it's kind of like a.
It's looking a hot ass mess.
It's not an appetizing color.
I know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
But you know what? Once you add the cheese, I really hope.
Oh,
okay. So that was cream cheese.
I put in about 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Yeah, if you get that little like square thing,
cut it in half. We also got the blocks of the Monterey Jack, and we're gonna add that in here.
Yep, go for it. Chuck it on in.
This is 8 ounces of the Monterey Jack, and then we also got an 8-ounce block of pepper jack, but we only used about 4 ounces of that for this.
Yeah.
I want to show.
Did you see that?
Guys, this is, okay, let me show you how oily this shit is. This is the oil from the chorizo. It's sick.
You think it's good?
I think it looks great. So let us pour it in a cute bowl.
Get our chips.
And get our
nice
chips.
aesthetic.
And we'll meet you guys in a little bit.
Bye. So, this is your first time seeing us try this, but we already know what it tastes like.
Just go right for it. Just go right for it. Just dip that shit in there. Dip it in there. Green cheers.
Cheers part 2.
Cheers part 2.
Alright, ready? 1, 2. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
I gotta say, the first time we tried it, it was better.
Oh my god.
I don't know how.
The only thing that I would probably add to this recipe, just for you guys at home, is, you know, maybe add like your own special seasoning. Oh, by the way, when we did cook the the chorizo, we did ground the chorizo with onion and garlic. But also, when you do this, I would add, like, your own salt, pepper, lime juice, whatever. We did not, like, really season this. So, I don't want you guys to try this and be like, what the fuck? It's good. It is really good. But it is a little bland. So, for sure, add your seasonings.
We're going to talk a bit now
Illiterate!
about what we see in the future for this channel.
Okay.
Okay, so my crystal ball. This is my crystal ball. I see some tomfoolery.
What the hell is tomfoolery?
Google it. I see. She's so fucking old. I really see just us hanging out.
Doing a lot of bullshit.
Yeah.
Is that what tomfoolery is? Okay, absolutely. Yeah, so I see, you know, a lot of creativity. I want, you know, us to put ourselves out there. Sarah and I are like 2 really creative people, but we don't always like put ourselves out there.
Have a way to do it.
So I definitely want to do that. I want to, you know, do DIYs. I want to do fashion hauls. I want to do mukbangs. I want to do, you know, all those types of things.
Basically, what we want to do is have you guys tag along with us when we hang out.
So get in for a bumpy ride, because
if you stayed this long watching, round of applause. Yeah, I mean, you guys are real ones. And hopefully you did stay on, and hopefully we see you again. And hopefully you comment down below what you want us to do, because we'll do pretty much anything. We're amateurs at a lot of things. Yeah, so basically that's it.
Yep, so like, subscribe,
Hit the bell.
and comment below. Alright,